Welcome to Building Material and Construction class by Sigma College of Architecture. In today's session, we will be seeing about arches and parts of arches. So, in an arch, like the inner curve formed by an arch is called introdos. The external curve formed by an arch is called an extrodos. So, wedge-shaped unit or masonries that are forming an arch is called voussoirs. So, wedge-shaped, which will look like this. It won't look like a proper triangle. Crown of the arch. The upper portion of an extrodos is called crown of an arch. Keystone. A wedge-shaped unit that is fixed in the crown is called keystone. Spandrel. So, when there is two arches, a rectangular portion formed between these two arches is called spandrel. Skew back in an arch. Skew back is a starting point, like a block which is used for a starting point of an arch is called skew back. Springing line. So, this is an imaginary line joining the starting and end point of the arch, which is also called springing point. So, next is springer. So, first wedge-shaped block starting from the springing line is called springer. Haunch. So, lower half of an arch from a crown to a skew back is called haunch. Impost. Impost is a bigger stone kept as a base of an arch. So, this is an impost. From an impost, a skew back or a springer will start. Rise and span. Span is the entire length or the starting point and the end point, and this is of an arch is a span, and overall height of an arch is rise. Arcade. A row of arches is called arcade. Piers and abutment. Piers, it's a false column, like it will be like a column, but it will attach to some background wall. Abutment is a starting. Piers is called abutment. Thank you.